Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe which is a healthy and easy lasagna. It's super easy to make and you only need a few ingredients. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to cut an onion, then grate 1 carrot, then on a pan add some olive oil and let's fry the onions until they're golden. Then add the carrots. After, add your beef or type of meat you would like in the lasagna and fry them up together. For about 10 minutes. Then let's add salt and pepper. After, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and mix it together. Now let's prepare the lasagna dough. I'm using lavash, but you can use the pizza dough or the lasagna pasta. Now let's add some butter so the lasagna doesn't stick to the pan, and add the lavash with about a spoon of salt infused yogurt, and let's add our ingredients. Now repeat all of that until you're happy with your lasagna layers. "50 grams of cheese, let's grate them, and with a bit of not sweet yogurt, add on top of the lasagna. Let's add it into the oven in 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. When it's all done and still hot, let's cut it up and serve it. It's super easy to make, and in a few minutes you'll be done. So thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.